Like that.
Come on, make some gunpowder and smoke. This is really sharp.
Okay, I'll give you the full demonstration now, okay? How to make the fire. Hold on, no. Okay, I want to show you how it
How did it make the
see now it make fire. Okay? You saw it, right? Okay. Put this on more and more. That's why I told you just now. This is the important thing that you have to make. Okay, this one. Now it's already done. Take your this one. This one, the bird nest. Okay, good. Thank you.
What's that?
Okay.
Oh, the fire.
Okay.
I can see red stuff. Yeah, I can find it.
Then transfer it here.
I think I need more. Wow!
It's fire now.
Wow!
Now you are blow it. Blow it, blow it, blow. Blow slowly so to make it fire. Blow it. That's it. Good. Yeah. Okay, now can you pass me the one? No, the plastic. Oh. Okay, we want to make fire in here. We cannot make fire on the grass. How is to make fire?
VIP.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Wow.
Yeah.
No more. I need this.
Oh.
And people used to say we don't